Refreshing your home doesn't always require a full makeover. Sometimes it's the small, well-chosen details that make the biggest difference. From stylish kitchen storage to cozy lighting and modern tableware, these trendy IKEA finds combine practicality with design. Whether you want to declutter, decorate, or simply update your vibe, these pieces make it easy to elevate your everyday space. 1. BLOMNING tin with lid, a small but eye-catching tin that instantly elevates your kitchen counter. Its red, brown, and pink finish feels trendy, yet timeless, while the tin plate material protects coffee, tea, or spices from light. Stackable and durable, it's perfect for keeping essentials fresh without sacrificing style. 2. SPJUTLILJA dish towel. These colorful cotton towels bring personality into everyday routines. Slightly smaller than standard, they double as decor for your table or even as hand towels in the bathroom. Soft, absorbent, and easy to hang, they're a simple way to refresh your space with minimal effort. 3. BETTHAJ tin with lid. If you like mixing metallics with soft tones, this silver tin is a great pick. Its textured surface adds grip and visual interest, while the airtight design helps preserve flavors. Larger than standard tins, it's practical for coffee lovers or bulk storage while still looking decorative. 4. AFTONHAJ carafe. This stainless steel carafe is both functional and effortlessly stylish. Designed for cold drinks, it features a polished and matte contrast that catches the light beautifully. The ergonomic neck makes pouring easy, and it's durable enough for daily use while still feeling like a design piece. 5. KRONSÅNGARE scented candle. A cozy upgrade for any room. This candle stands out with its handmade glass container, meaning each piece is unique. The double wick ensures an even burn and stronger scent throw, making it ideal for creating a warm, inviting atmosphere during evenings or relaxed weekends. 6. BLOMPRAKT Bluetooth speaker lamp, a perfect blend of tech and decor. This speaker lamp creates ambiance with both sound and light. It offers dimmable lighting and clear audio, plus Bluetooth connectivity and Spotify tap for easy control. Ideal for small spaces, it replaces multiple devices while keeping a clean, modern look. 7. SPJUTLILJA Spice Mill Set. Functional yet design-forward, these striped mills add a modern touch to your kitchen or table. The ceramic grinder is durable and adjustable, letting you control the coarseness. Smartly designed with the mechanism on top, they keep surfaces clean and mess-free. 8. LADUSVALA tea light holder. These minimalist tea light holders come in coordinated colors that make styling effortless. Stackable and compact, they're easy to store but impactful when displayed together. Perfect for creating a cozy, layered lighting effect in your living room or dining setup. 9. AFTONHAJ serving bowl. This stainless steel bowl turns simple fruits or snacks into a statement centerpiece. The mix of polished and textured finishes adds depth, while the durable material makes it practical for everyday use. It's ideal if you want a sleek, modern table without overcomplicating things. 10. SKINNFISK glass, a reliable everyday glass with a clean, elegant shape that feels good in hand. Made from tempered glass, it handles both hot and cold drinks and is dishwasher safe. Stackable for easy storage, it's perfect for small kitchens or anyone wanting practical minimalism. 11. AFTONHAJ salt and pepper shaker. These sleek shakers look like small decorative objects on your table. The combination of stainless steel and wood adds warmth and contrast, while the two-part design makes refilling simple. A subtle upgrade that makes everyday meals feel more curated. 12. HAGAÅN wall open cabinet, a smart storage solution that blends function with style. Its open shelves keep essentials visible and accessible, while the oak effect adds warmth to your bathroom. easy to mount and modular, it's perfect for creating a clean, organized, and modern space. (13) KOLDBY cowhide. This natural cowhide instantly adds texture and warmth to a room. Each piece is unique in pattern and tone, making it feel more personal than standard rugs. Durable and versatile, it works equally well on floors or walls for a cozy, elevated look. 14. PRAKTAND candle dish inspired by flower petals. This candle dish brings a soft, sculptural element to your decor. The mix of matte and shiny stainless steel reflects light beautifully, making it ideal for creating a refined centerpiece or a calm, elegant atmosphere. 15. SKEDSTÖR teapot. A playful yet practical teapot that adds color to your tea routine. It includes a removable infuser for loose leaf tea and a foldable handle for easy storage. Its rounded design makes it both functional and visually appealing on your table. 16. SPJUTLILJA bowl. These bowls are perfect for adding personality to your table setting. Their shape feels modern and inviting, while the colors keep things lively. Versatile enough for snacks, soups, or breakfast, they easily transition from everyday use to more styled occasions. 17. SILVERPÄRON candlestick. With its organic flowing design, this candlestick feels both delicate and stable. The dual holders create a balanced look, ideal for dining tables or shelves. It's easy to store thanks to its detachable design, making it as practical as it is decorative. 18. AFTONHAJ jar with lid. A sleek storage jar that keeps dry goods fresh while looking great on display. The stainless steel finish gives it a modern edge, and the tight lid protects contents effectively. It's versatile enough for both kitchen storage and organizing small items. 19. PRAKTAND tea light holder. This small but impactful piece reflects light beautifully, thanks to its curved, petal-inspired design. Durable and timeless, it's perfect for creating subtle ambiance on a dining table, shelf, or bedside. A simple way to add elegance without clutter. 20. OLIVTRAST glass. With its textured surface and classic shape, this glass feels both crafted and modern. It works for hot and cold drinks, is dishwasher safe, and stacks easily. A great everyday option that still adds a bit of character to your table. With the right mix of functional and aesthetic pieces, transforming your home can feel effortless. These IKEA products prove that good design doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. By adding a few thoughtful touches, textures, colors, and smart storage, you can create a space that feels fresh, organized, and truly yours.